In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to your website using the Wix editor. This process is simple and will empower you to customize your site with the exact wording and style you prefer. So let's dive in. First, we'll start by opening the Wix editor. Once you've logged into your Wix account and selected the site you're working on, you'll find yourself in the editor interface. Here, you have a plethora of options for customizing your website, but today we'll focus on adding text. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a vertical menu with various options like menus and pages, background, and right among them there's the option labeled Add. Click on this Add button to expand a new set of options for you to explore. With the Add menu open, you'll see different elements you can incorporate into your site. For our purposes, we need the text option. By selecting text, you're telling the editor that you want to add a text box to your page. When you click on text, you will be greeted with a variety of style options to choose from. Wix provides different pre-designed text styles for titles, paragraphs, quotes, and other text formats you might think of, adding to your creative flexibility. Choose a style that fits the intended use and aesthetic of your site. If you're unsure of which to pick, don't worry. You can always change it later if you decide to go in a different direction. After settling on a style, click on it, and a text box will automatically appear on your page. Here's where you get more personal. Click inside this text box to type out the content you want your visitors to see. Whether it's a welcoming headline for your homepage or a subtle line of text to complement an image, make sure the text is clear and concise for your audience. Positioning is everything when it comes to design. To move your text box, simply click and drag it to the desired location on your page. Pay attention to helpful guidelines that appear as you move the text box. They show you when things are aligning, which is a great way to keep your site looking professional and polished. As a final touch, you might want to explore further formatting options, such as adjusting font size, color, and alignment to perfect your design. The toolbar that appears when you select the text box is your gateway to these settings. And there you have it. Now you know how to add and customize text on your Wix website. Take your time to experiment with different styles and placements to see what makes your site shine. Thanks for watching and happy editing.